Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making 15-minute crispy and flaky mini aloo puff. Golden layered pastry filled with spicy potato masala. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Mini puffs are perfect bite-sized snacks. Now add 1/3 cup water gradually and make a tight dough. Make the dough slightly tight for better layers. Rub a little oil over the dough and keep aside to rest. Now prepare the aloo masala. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add half teaspoon crushed coriander seeds, half teaspoon crushed cumin. Now add half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon garam masala. Add 3 tablespoon boiled green peas. Two tablespoon boiled mashed potatoes. Mix everything well. Add fresh coriander leaves and keep aside to cool. Now divide the dough into 8 equal portions and roll them out. Prepare corn flour slurry with 2 tablespoon ghee and 2 tablespoon corn flour. Spread the slurry over 4 rolled dough sheets. Corn flour slurry helps create beautiful crispy layer. Layered dough gives puff snacks their flaky texture. Layer and roll them together. Cut the edges and cut into small pieces. Place the aloo stuffing inside. Apply water at the edges and fold as shown. Aloo filling is one of the most loved puff flavor. Seal the edges properly before frying. Fry in medium heated oil until beautifully golden brown and crispy. Serve hot. Fry on medium heat for even crispiness. Potatoes provide energy and fullness. Green peas add texture and nutrition. Homemade snacks are fresher and more hygienic. You can control spices and oil at home. Your crispy homemade mini aloo puff is ready. Serve hot with tea or sauce and enjoy. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade recipes.